right, so this is the Shimoda Urban Explore 30L. Not sponsored by Shimoda at all or by anyone. I wanted to get a brand new bag this year because, I don't know, just wanted to try something different. And because it's my new bag, I think it's time to do my annual What's in My Camera Bag video. All right, so first of all, this is not gonna be a review or even a first impressions video. I literally just got this bag this week. I just wanna show you the gear that I've packed in this bag, starting with what's on the outside. So like most camera bags, there's a water bottle / tripod holder. The tripod that I've been using lately, I'm not really a big fan of, but it's the lightest travel tripod that I have. This is the Freewell Real Travel Carbon Fiber Tripod. Like that's what it's called. It's called the Real Travel Tripod or carbon fiber tripod, something like that. Then this tripod is very, very light. It's made of carbon fiber and it's not the strongest, so I wouldn't necessarily put your $12,000 camera setup on this thing, but it is very light to travel with. What I do like about this tripod is that to unlock the legs, you just gotta twist it once and you can extend the tripod legs just like that. And if you want to adjust it to like, I don't know, say about over here, just go to that length and then twist to lock and that's it. So that's pretty cool. And this tripod stays right over here. I usually put one leg in the actual holder and then I have this strap to lock it in place. And I'll be honest, this isn't the easiest or most convenient way to strap in your tripod with this bag, but it is secure and that's what matters. Now in the top compartment of my bag are my smaller accessories. Hang tight, I'm gonna save like the main compartment for last, but here's where I place the usual small accessories that I travel with. I got my EDC tech pouch over here, cables, chargers, etc. I got my little mini Sony wireless tripod grip. This thing is great if I wanted a tabletop tripod. And then here is my DJI Mini 4 Pro remote controller. And then I have smaller accessories, things like lens pens, multi-tools. I got some Sony batteries and a charger. So yeah, it's nothing too exciting, but those are the things that I place in the top compartment. Also, there is room enough to put a light jacket in, which I always appreciate. So that's really cool, but let's get to the main compartment, shall we? And don't worry, I'm gonna do a full review on this bag. I haven't traveled with it yet, so just calm down. All right, All right, you ready? Here we go. Ooh, okay, here we go. Now let's first start with the laptop compartment, which is right over here. This bag actually has two laptop compartments, one in the front of the bag, one in the back. It's much better to place it in the back because otherwise the bag will tip over. But anyway, this is where I store my M4 Max MacBook Pro 14-inch. Recently upgraded it from my M1 Max MacBook Pro, but this fits perfectly in the laptop compartment. You can even fit up to a 16-inch laptop, which is really cool. The only thing I wish is that this had like a Velcro strap to prevent the laptop from sliding off. So yeah, not a big fan of that. Maybe I'll gaff tape it. But this is the gear that I've packed into the Shimoda Urban Explorer 30. And first of all, I mean, look at this organization. Like this looks so clean and probably way more organized than your bag. Like I'm not very good at many things in life, but if there's one thing I'm really, really good at, it's camera bag organization. All right, let's go ahead and go through all the gear, starting with my main camera, and this is Sony Alpha 1 Mark II. This is my workhorse camera, and I recently just got it, and I really, really love this camera. I'm not gonna go through all the specs, but basically it's my workhorse camera for photography and video. It's so good. And attached to that camera is my workhorse lens, and that of course is the Sony 24-70 G Master Mark II. And this is the lens to get if you're starting out in video or photography. Like it doesn't have to be a Sony 24-70, it could be any 24-70 standard zoom lens. It's just that this lens covers pretty much the basic focal lengths that you would need on any given shoot. So that's my main camera, that's my main lens. I do have a B camera, which is the DJI Pocket 3 that is stored in this little pouch over here. And I have everything that I need to film with the Pocket 3 in this pouch. I've got the mini tripod, I've got the DJI Mic 2 wireless mic. I even have the DJI Mic Mini because you can pair up to 2 mics with the Pocket 3, which is really cool. I even got a lav mic over here, which is a Rode Lav Go mic. It's not the best lav, but I've had it for years and it works. And so yeah, it's a good pairing. A DJI wireless system with a Rode mic. And next to that is the DJI Mic Mini. And this is the version with the 2 transmitters and receiver. And honestly, if you're looking for a wireless mic system, this is the one to get because it's so affordable. Speaking of mics, my shotgun mic, of course, is the Sony ECM B10 mic. I love this mic. This thing is so cool. It's small, it's reliable. You don't need an audio cable. You just connect it to the hot shoe of your Sony camera and you're you're good to go. Quickly moving on, I've got my favorite drone of all time, and that's the DJI Mini 4 Pro. Love this thing. I can travel with it anywhere without having to necessarily register it. And what I love about this tiny drone is that you can film horizontal and vertical video because the gimbal actually rotates to film native vertical video. So that's cool. And also it just packs so small that you could literally fit it in any camera bag. Right, moving on is the Sony 70-200 telephoto zoom lens. Love this lens, and I use it surprisingly often. And I usually pair this lens with a 2x teleconverter just to extend my reach a lot more. And this is such a killer combo if you want that nice compression in the background for your photos and videos. And then let's see what else. Of course, I have an action camera. It's the DJI Action 5 Pro. And this is pretty much my everything else camera. In fact, I've used the Action 5 Pro as a vlog camera when attached to my Sony camera. And the reason why is because you can actually pair the DJI Mic 2 or the Mic Mini with the Action 5 Pro. And I guess I kind of have this DJI combo going on where I have the Pocket 3, I have the Action 5 Pro, but those cameras are connected thanks to the DJI Mic ecosystem, if you will. It's crazy. DJI just did something brilliant. So anyway, that's my action camera, and that stays right over here. And then of course, I've got my filter pouch where I have various filters like my Polar Pro Variable ND, got my circular polarizer, and I'm missing a filter, so that's fun. Where did it go? And that's pretty much it for the main compartment of this bag. There's this cool little pouch right over here where I can store really slim items. This is a filter holder releaser thingy. Basically, if your filter is stuck to your lens, you can just clamp this thing onto the filter, twist it, and your filter is released. And so, yeah, that happens more times than I'd like it to be. And so having this little clamp, filter clamp, I guess, it's just a good idea to carry around. Now, the only thing missing in this bag is a wide lens. And I'm kind of thinking about getting the Laowa 10mm ultra wide. That seems like a really cool and affordable wide lens. And so yeah, might be getting that. But that is all the gear in my new camera bag. And I'm really excited to be traveling with the Shimoda Urban Explore 30 liter. I will give a review on this bag. I just gotta travel with it more, so calm down. But that's it for this video. I gotta go. I gotta turn off all these lights, clean up, pack up, make dinner, run some errands, do other things because I'm an adult and I have responsibilities that I don't wanna do. But thanks for watching. Bye.